Have you ever hopped into your car ready for an adventure only to find it won't start? It's a bit of a bummer, right? I'm here to help you look at a few simple real-world things together. Let's get started. First, let's check the battery. Think of it as the car's heart. Sometimes it just gets a little tired or the connections get a bit messy. It's usually just your battery asking for a little boost or a cleanup. Easy peasy. Next up is the starter motor, tucked away inside the engine. This brave little part gives the engine its very first spin. Well, nothing at all. Sometimes it just needs a friendly replacement. Then there's the fuel, the car's food. Even if the gauge looks okay, it's always worth a double check. If the engine is trying its best but just can't manage it, it might just be hungry for a little gasoline. It happens to the best of us. Lastly, let's look at the little details. Is your car fully in park? Sometimes it's just a tiny bit off. And don't forget to check the battery in your key fob too. These small things are super easy to fix once you know they're there. See? Taking care of your car can be a fun little mission. I hope this helps you feel more confident and ready to hit the road. Drive safe and stay happy. Bye-bye. See? Taking care of your car can be a fun little mission.